interested in whether you have any messages to Mr. Longbomb.
Oh, Mr. Longbomb, I just say that this is a professional league, so act like a professional. Kumbaga, iba yung mundo ng social media na ginagawa niya, iba yung trato ng being a professional. So here at Top Tier, we just want to provide inspirational stories, and you know, everyone is allowed to dream in this sport of basketball. So Stallions, let's go Top Tier.
At yan na nga, binigyan namin ng tsansa makapaglaro ng professional ang isang vlogger na si Mr. Longbomb. Nasa kanya na lang kung paano niya gagamitin ito ng maayos at kung paano namin mabibigyan kayo ng bagong istorya sa era ng basketball ngayon, kung saan ang social media ay connected na sa audience. At ito, aliw na aliw tayo sa isang bago, ang sabi niya, bagong meta. Kaso dito sa PSL, hindi pwede ang galawang pang social media lang dahil tayo ay professional. Kaya tingnan natin kung paano linaro ni Mr. Longbomb ang kanyang second professional game. Siguro Mr. Longbomb, okay yung lumaban ka at pumalag ka, pero bawal ang maging piko. Okay ang naging effort mo dito. You made a stop. Kaso, dito, binalik mo agad. Traveling ka naman. Good lesson. That was bad defense, and that was bad sportsmanship. Welcome to the pros, my man.
We just make
Wish
sure
you a lot of
that
luck
he acts accordingly
in your
like a
career.
professional and not be
God bless,
embarrassment
Mr. Longbomb.
to the team and to the
It's
league.
top tier
You know?
athletics.
So that's where we at.